Hi everybody, this is Alyogi. Welcome to Greenlivingpath. This is morning yoga for beginners. So we're going to start off setting an intention for your practice and also for your day so it runs smoothly. So just bringing your palms to your heart, closing your eyes. I set an intention to have a beautiful practice, a beautiful day, to radiate love and happiness. Great, guys. So it's great to see you. So we're going to start off with seated poses, and we're going to just start now. So just crossing your legs, putting your hands down, opening your chest up, putting your head back, and then rounding your spine. And releasing again, opening your heart out, guys, and breathing out, opening your heart out, and breathing out, opening your heart, guys, the chest, opening up. Taking that breath in and then breathe it out. Great. So we're just going to interlock our fingers. We're going to stretch up with the hands, stretching up, bit to the side, bit to the other side, to the middle, and then to the other side, to the middle, and to the other side, back together, and then bringing it down. Great. Just bringing your hand behind your back, just do a spinal twist, guys. Just activating your spine, waking it up in the morning. Just gently just take the stretch as far as you can, but not forcing it. Just gently just breathe out. Keeping that shoulder rotated. And then just going to the other side, guys. Rotating that shoulder. Opening that shoulder. Rotating your spine. Great. Wow, this feels better already. So just going to tabletop pose. And just cat-cow pose. Concaving your spine, breathing out. Breathing in, guys. Bring your chin up. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Right, just a neutral pose now. We're going to just basically put our calf backwards and just give a calf stretch, pushing back, stretching back your calf, working on the calf, stretching that calf muscle, the whole leg. It's great to release the tension in your legs. And then to the other side, putting it back, stretching the calf. Using that breath. And then back to tabletop pose. And we're going to gently come into down dog, keeping your heels off the ground for beginners. And then just walking out, carrying on, stretching your legs. Pushing back,
Great. Working the calves, working the legs, pushing back, guys, with the hands. And then just gently extend the pose a little bit. And for anybody that wants to, you can put your heels down. But just for most of us, just keeping the heels off the ground. And then just gently come back down. Tabletop pose. Great, guys. So we're just getting towards the end of the practice now. So just basically keeping in tabletop. And we're going to put our leg back, arm out. Keeping the pose going, extending. And then just gently come down, other side. And then the other side. Great. So that's awesome. Just getting to the end of it. The final pose, putting your knees apart, putting your hands out into extended child's pose. This is great for the back, elongating the spine, all the vertebrae, and then just melting your heart back onto the ground and putting your third eye, your forehead on your mat. Just use the breath, guys. Great practice. Pulling back into the shoulders. And then just gently coming up. It's great to see everybody. Awesome. I hope this helps you guys. Just setting that intention for the day. Carry that through your day. Just, radiating happiness and love in your day. And then you're pulling that in naturally. So it's great to have you guys. Namaste.